Okay, so this is my heated electric shower box. It's on my roof rack. It's a wooden box made out of 12mm plywood. It's sealed with liquid rubber roofing compound. Oh, hello. If we go up and have a look. So it's split into two sections. The main bit there is the water tank, and this bit here is a little compartment, and if we look in here, that's where the shower is. Now the shower is about £15 off eBay, something like that. It's a little campaign shower. Comes with, plugs into a cigarette lighter there, but it comes with a pump. And there's the pump, and what you do is this cap here, which I just got from, it's a fish tank fitting, so it's a screw cap with an insert there, and that's where you fill it up. And you can actually use the shower the other way around if you want to fill it up, if you don't want to climb up onto climb up and fill it up from the roof. You could just stick that in a bucket of water and stick the shower end in this hole and pump it up from down below. But this goes in there like that. On the lid of this, I've got a little adjustable cable tie there to hold it steady. So what you do is you put that in there like that and clip it, and that holds the pump on the bottom of the tank. And because it's a black box on the roof, it doubles as a solar shower, so the sun heats it first. Okay, then for topping it up, if you can see there, and I'll post some stills as well, there's an immersion heater in that side wired in. So go back round here, and so the immersion heater is wired in. There's a couple of wires go through the roof, and inside the car there's a little switch there, and switch the immersion heater on and off. So basically you switch it on, I don't know, an hour, whatever, before you arrive at your destination, half an hour, depends on how warm the water is, and it'll heat up the water for your shower for when you arrive. And the way that you tell it's the right temperature is, if you look here on the front, see that there? That's actually the front of a meat thermometer. So I've just drilled a little hole for the spike, so the spike goes inside into the water in the tank, and the dial of the meat thermometer is on the outside of the box, so I can tell how hot the water is. And that was it. And the whole thing to build with the wood and all the bits probably cost me, I don't know, £60. Not much really. Anyway, I'll put some stills in this video just to show the build, but it's really, really easy.